Morning. Just wanted to give an update on what's been going on. This camera has been giving me a heck of a time. First, I blew that firewire port. I got that repaired and got it all hooked back up. But it turns out it shoots in DVC Pro format over firewire, which only professional programs pick up on. So I've got a firewire port, and it can only stream SD over firewire to a normal PC with the free program. So if I wanted to go to HD on firewire, I'd have to actually spend some significant money to get that going. So I'm probably gonna have to do something else. But for now, I'll just be doing discrete clips and managing it all manually, which is gonna take a lot longer. I'm hoping to make this easy, so I'll be a lot more likely to make videos. If I have to do a bunch of work, I'm probably not gonna come out here and make videos. So I've been doing a lot of work on the pressure equipment. I've gotten a handful of new regulators, some 6-to-1s, some 1-to-6s, some 1-to-2s, and man, I got lucky. I hit the jackpot on some of this stuff. These things were like $10 and they're brand new. You can look in the ports and they have never had a fitting in them, which is fantastic. So I got those working. I took these current to pressure transducers apart, got them cleaned up and working. So now I've got options, and I did some proof of concepts with all three of the pistons together. Crank it up, turn it on. So it actually creates a significant amount of force, and that's just at like 30 psi. I did the calculations, and I think I needed like 60 or 90 or something to get to my target. So it was a reasonable amount. It was achievable. As it is now, I can get to, I think, about 60 pounds at 30 psi, roughly. So we're getting there. Everything seems to work. So now I just need to get a welding set up so I can start actually building a table for this. So I forgot to hook up the mic to the camera on these clips, so I'm just going to run them quickly. All I was doing was hooking up these cylinders to a scale so I could get a rough estimate of how much force it was. It's about 4.6 pounds. I tared it out. I then face planted right into the table, right there. That was fantastic. I wish I had that audio. And then I got some real world numbers on, I put in about 41 psi, and I was able to get out like 121 pounds on the scale, and it was pretty consistent. So that really does show a good proof of concept here. So I'm all set to go. I've got my pistons and my regulators and everything's ready to go. Now all I have to do is build the table. So I'm going to start welding next. Probably the next video I'll try to show some 3D models of the table, and we'll go from there.